Up to 50% kids need braces today because our jaws went from having near perfect teeth to crooked teeth and narrow jaws. Let's find out why. Researchers Dr. Paul Ehrlich and Sandra Khan call this the hidden jaws epidemic after examining how human jaws have changed over time. Frost Mechanostat's theory explains that the bone is a living tissue. It can grow wider and denser when subjected to high physical stress. When a toddler chews tough, fibrous food, the masseter muscle sends shockwaves of strain into the jawbone. That strain triggers the bone-building cells called osteoblasts to expand the jaw. But when the kids chew on soft food, the bone-building trigger is dramatically reduced and the jaw is more likely to stay narrow. When their big adult teeth start coming in, the teeth crash into each other, overlapping and turning crooked. And a decade later, when the wisdom teeth arrive and try to erupt, there is literally no space, possibly requiring expensive surgical extraction. Anthropologists have studied this all over the world, from rural India to indigenous tribes in North America. When these groups live traditional lifestyles, they have near perfect teeth. But as soon as these families move to cities and switch to soft processed foods, their children's jaws shrink and teeth begin to crowd within a single generation. This is about more than having a pretty smile. If the upper jaw doesn't grow wide, the nasal airway chain is constricted. This increases the risk for the child to become a chronic mouth breather, which in severe cases can lead to childhood sleep apnea, oxygen deprivation at night, and behavioral issues often misdiagnosed as ADHD. Yes, babies need soft purees at the age of 6 months, but once they turn 2, keeping them on a diet of soft bread, yogurt, and purees means less chewing practice and more chances of having a narrow jaw.